There's Rascal checking out her new home.
You're biting it. Don't bite that, you'll break your teeth. No.
She'll figure it out.
Great, she thinks it's one big chew stick.
You're gonna get splinters in your teeth.
Is there a hole in the side too?
No. What is it?
Should we put one on anything?
Try that.
Look. Look. Come here. Go get it.
There's a rodent.
What
She's
is
like,
it?
she's like, why is the camera out? Must be fight time.
Come here. Oh. Oh, jeez. You need to be careful. What are you doing? Why are you so hyper today? Oh. Hey. Psst, psst, psst. Look. Look. What's up here? Look. Psst,
Don't
psst.
chew on that.
What's up here? Come here. Come here. Look.
What's in there? And there goes the block.
What is that? What is it? Come here. Look. Can you climb on me?
And she's climbing down to your box.
She'll figure it out.
Oh no, that's perfect because she'll never come out of there.
Hi. Pocket dweller.
She's a pickpocket.
Excuse me, there's no exit in there. Don't chew one either. Excuse me. Yoo-hoo. Hi. Could you come out, please? What are you, kangaroo?
Why don't you just put your hand in there?
Because her nails stick to everything and I can't pull her out. Trust me, I've tried. Get in, go check it out. It's okay. Daddy built it just for you.
Cool.
Mhm.
Or you could open that and put her in the
You heard me?
top.
Hey, watch it. She's gonna gnaw on your finger.
I'll go there. Let's go when I climb on me. Oh, there you go.
Where'd she go? Back in the other pocket?
Nope, she's over here.
Come here. We gotta put it close enough for her. She's hanging by her back legs. Whoa. That you can't drink that from out here. Please don't. Go. You want to go in your house?
That's new.
Go get Daddy. Look. Get Daddy. No, not up.
Holy cow.
It's a historic moment in squirrel history.
I don't think it's gonna be right now.
Come here. Rascal.
Hey, Callie.
Yes, your treat is still there. Excuse me, butt in my face. Look. Come here, look. Oh, gosh. Come here, look. Look.
Exit.
Hey.
She'll find it.
Oh.
Just like a cat, she has to clean herself.
Mommy's the human jungle gym.
Oh, jeez Louise. How many times are you going to bonk your head? No wonder you have little scabs up here. You need to...
Chill. Chill like a pill.
Come here. You want... Ooh. Look, come here. Come here. You
Front in the
want
face is
some?
better than the butt in the face.
Huh?
Won't you hit your head?
What are you doing?
She's on your backside.
She just wants to play.
Rodent blocks are making her hyper. Oh. Say cheese. Nibble. Oh, she wants the string.
Hey. You can't take it.
Oh.
Now she wants to be hidden.
Where'd you go?
She's down the side. I'm it on the back. Oh, getting there.
Yeah, she's going on the side.
Hello. Hey. Check out the back of it.
What up? Hi. She's like, oh, sure.